Welcome to Integrative Medicine Perspective. I'm Dr. Wendy Liu. The health of our eyes requires a special set of nutrients. The ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Chinese used animal liver to treat visual weakness. We now know the benefit of animal liver on vision is at least partly due to the action of vitamin A. In addition to vitamin A, the eyes also require vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, selenium, zinc, copper, lutein, and zeaxanthin as nutrients. One common feature of these nutrients is that they are all antioxidants. Why do our eyes need so much antioxidants? That is because our eyes consume a lot of oxygen. The retina, the eye ground, has the highest oxygen consumption rate by weight in the body. High oxygen consumption, along with UV, ultraviolet exposure, can produce a lot of oxidants. That means the eyes encounter a significant amount of oxidative stress. Oxidative damages are linked to the development and disease progression of many eye diseases such as cataract and glaucoma. As strong antioxidants, these nutrients can protect the eyes from the oxidative damages. For instance, vitamin C is much more concentrated in the eye than in the blood. In the eye fluid called ocular humor, the concentration of vitamin C is 50 times that in the blood. The decrease of vitamin C concentration in the ocular humor and the lens is linked to the development and the severity of cataract. The retina, the eye ground, has a high content of vitamin E and omega-3, especially EPA and DHA. Our tears are very rich in vitamin C, zinc, and selenium. These antioxidants can protect the cornea from oxidative damages. Copper is a component of antioxidant enzymes called superoxide dismutases. The eye's defense against oxidative damages mainly depends on these copper-containing enzymes. Finally, vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin are very important for our vision, our eyesight. Vitamin A is a component of rhodopsin, which is a light-sensitive protein. It converts the light signal into electrical signal for the brain to process. Vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness. Lutein and zeaxanthin are major pigments of the macular region of the retina. The macular region of the retina is responsible for fine vision, the acuity of our vision. So these pigment nutrients are very important for the health of the macular region. Now, having said all that, I wanted to suggest a salad that is rich in all these nutrients for the eye. It is very easy to make the salad. The salad has 2 eggs, a cup of cooked spinach, either sauteed or boiled, 2/3 cup of cooked corn, 2/3 cup of cooked whole wheat pasta, and 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. I usually use extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper as dressing. I would cook enough eggs and whole wheat pasta to use for 2 additional days, and I only have to cook spinach and corn freshly. And that way I can save some cooking time and at the same time avoid losing too much nutrients by cooking the vegetables way ahead of time. So among the ingredients of this salad, eggs, corn, and spinach can provide a hefty dose of vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Whole wheat pasta and spinach are very rich in copper. Eggs and whole wheat pasta are rich in selenium. Hemp seeds provide a good amount of omega-3 and zinc. 2 eggs can also provide a fair amount of zinc. Finally, spinach and extra virgin olive oil give a good amount of vitamin E. Of course, spinach and strawberries are great sources for vitamin C. That may be too much to remember, but as a general rule of this salad, it should have eggs, corn, green leafy vegetables, some whole grains, and some nuts and seeds, along with vitamin E rich salad oil. So that means we keep eggs and corn not changed for the salad. We can substitute spinach with other green leafy vegetables, substitute whole wheat pasta with other whole grains such as buckwheat, quinoa, barley. We can substitute hemp seeds with pumpkin seeds or other nuts and seeds. If you don't have extra virgin olive oil, consider sunflower seed oil, which is also very rich in vitamin E. I hope you enjoy the salad as much as I do. Please leave comments and questions. I will see you soon.